I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not a...
So yo, welcome guys. So today is day 11 of building a social media application from scratch using FastAPI and React.js. So yesterday we have completed the chatting implementation. So today we are going to add catch using Redis. So let's open the code. Let's open the backend. Where's the terminal? Okay, the server is running. Now let's open the front end. npm run dev. Okay, so this was the chatting implementation that we did yesterday. We can send as well as edit and delete chat that we have sent. So let me test it once. Let me check if there's some bugs or not. Let's open here. And Chrome. Let's open both parallelly. Okay, so this is user 2 and this is user 3. Let's open the chat. Okay, let's navigate to user 3. Okay, so yeah, if I write hi and send, it will immediately show here. And if I write yo here and send, it will be immediately show here due to socket.io. Chat is completely immediate in real time. And after this, let's check the edit and delete function. So here, if you write another yo and save, it's immediately changed here. By the way, whoever is watching, please like the stream and you can come in the live chat. You can suggest me some features that I can add here. Okay. Yeah, let's open another user. Suppose I have opened this user. So previously, if I open some other chat and if I send something here, the immediate response will enter here. So we have fixed it. Let's check it if it's still working. The fix. Let me check. If I write hi again, yeah, it's not working. We need to fix it again because this is user 3 and the chat appeared in user 1 chat. So the chat leakage is still there. Okay, so there's still a chat leakage. You need to fix the leakage of the chat. LE leakage send. Yeah, see, this is user 1 chat, but and we are chatting as user 3, but still it entered in the user 1 chat. So we need to fix the leaking problem again, I think. Meet Codex, coding agent. I'm planning to use Codex in my future videos so that it will be easier to code. Okay. Until we chat with user 2. Wait a second. If user 1 opens chat of user 2 and user 3 chats, is user 1, then the chat will appear in user 2 chat at first until we open the chat with user 3. Okay, and it fixed no longer in the chat with user 2. Okay, so currently the logic is adding every message to the current socket. Instead of adding it to the current socket, we need to add it to the particular address of the sender that we have opened in the front end. So yeah, in the chat.tsx, so is the chat window. So here the problem is here inside the received message category. Yeah, use effect fetch a socket on receive message. Yeah, there is already a socket on receive message inside this use effect. So let's try to change it. A receive message. It is calling a handle received message. What is the handle received message? selected conversation. Wait a second, the logic is correct. Const wait a second, message and any, okay, console, okay. If selected, there are so many pop-ups. So yeah, if the selected conversation and message conversation ID matches, then we dispatch a message. Okay, so the logic is correct. The problem is in the dispatch we are not dispatching the selected conversation. That might be the problem. So we are adding it inside the dispatch. Let's see. Everything else is completely same. For edit, okay. Okay. So where is the edit? Message edited, okay. Message, okay. We are making a custom edit here. Okay. So this is the edit, right? So let's make a custom edit logic and custom delete logic, which is here. So, okay. Even better fix, what? Keep to Redux state, okay. Let's forget it. Let's test this one first. If this doesn't work, then we will try a different approach. So where's the terminal? Terminal. Please like the chat, guys. I mean, like the video, guys. Why my chat is lagging in my phone? Yo, Thorfinn, how are you? Did I reply really late? I think I should lower my quality in my phone because it's lagging. Yeah, now it's fine. So yeah, let's check the front and back end. Let's separate this. Okay, let's refresh both the user. This is user 3, right? Okay, nice, nice. Is my response late? Because in my mobile, sometimes my chat is froze and it buffers in my mobile. I don't know why. By the way, I asked you a question in server, I think here. Like you told me that the quadrant is self-hosted. So have you hosted quadrant yourself in VPS, or were you using the cloud service of the quadrant? Because I have personally never used VPS. So if you have done it, you can suggest me some free tier VPS for hosting all these self-hosting platforms. Maybe I think DigitalOcean is free. Uh, DigitalOcean has a generous amount of free tier, but I haven't done it. I've only heard about it. So yeah, this is user 3, right? So let's open user 1. And if I write something, leak user 3, this is user 3. Okay, let's open user 1 and let's like leak. Leak, okay, so it's fixed. You have to pay something. Oh, I was using it locally. Okay, yeah, it's nice. I have a doubt. Like, I want to open a SaaS application, but I have a doubt that if I make the SaaS open source and also self-hosted, so will I ever earn money? How will I earn money? The only good thing about doing this is you can show experience and you can get hired in other company. But what about you? Like, how will you earn profit in open source as well as self-hosted? Okay, so the leakage has fixed. There was a very simple error in the use effect, like very simple issue. Right now, I think it's fixed. Let me check it again. Leak 2, uh, here, user 1. Okay. Okay, so the chat leakage is fixed. So that technically means there is no more bugs here. So we are currently bug free completely. Yeah, I have a bug actually. Inside my component, there's one component which is still white. I don't know which component is white till now. So I have to change this component color. I have an idea. Let's go here. Front end. Inside front end, let's first check the UI theme. Yeah, this is the color, right? So let's take this color. I like this color. Very simple. And let's try to go in index.css maybe. Here. Let's change this. And let's change this. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And here, let's put this color. What? Oh, okay. My bad, my bad. I need to go to theme again and copy this color and paste it here. So does it change anything? Nothing. The issue is not here, that means. I want to fix it, but I don't want the hard work. Let's fix this later. For today, I'm thinking of adding Redis inside my application. Is Redis even necessary? I'm confused because the application is so simple. What do you think, Thorfinn? Do I need Redis? And have you used Redis yourself? Why the chat is lagging? Oh, you are writing so many things, but I didn't get it because my chat is lagging in my phone. I don't have a DC on my phone. That's why I haven't replied you, mate. I just got to know that you asked me something on DC lol, okay? Open source plus self-hosted. Nah, man. You can't earn with this. Yeah. Why are people doing it? Like, is it just for fun? Just for passion? YouTube is really shit, man. It's always laggy. The YouTube chat is always laggy, especially for me. You can add Redis in it, but it is overkill. Yeah, because this is just a simple chatting application. There's nothing complex here, and the user, the chat is already lifetime, real time. I mean, so there is no point of Redis here. I think if I'm not adding Redis, then what should I add extra? Like, I'm confused because if I'm not adding Redis, then today will be last day of this playlist. From tomorrow, I will be making a application, a SaaS application that I want to really sell. I'll try my best to sell the application. In that application, Redis is extremely important because I'm fetching data from multiple places and then arranging it, and then users can also post it in different places. I think let's do Redis just for practice. This playlist is mostly for practice. It's not a real application. I will put it nowhere, not even in my resume. This application is just for practice. Now I have worked with Redis. Yeah, I have worked with Redis. I also made my own Redis in Go. Nice. The fun fact is, I have never worked with Redis. Let's ask ChatGPT what's its opinion. By the way, for my application, I also got a suggestion of using Bulk MQ. Have you used Bull MQ with Redis? Because Redis won't be enough. You also need to use Bull MQ. What is Bull MQ? I don't even know. For my next project, not for this. This one is very simple project, very straightforward. Everything is already ready-made. The socket.io is ready-made, and the chat application is only a CRUD application, basic CRUD functionality. I'm using Redux, but I can easily use context API, but I'm just trying to learn everything, so I have made it Redux. I also thought to use a Prisma ORM, but it will be completely useless because ORM part is so less in the database. The SQL Alchemy ORM is enough, so I didn't use Prisma. For my next project, I will use Prisma ORM. Because my stack will be completely different. I will be building a Next.js project, completely Next.js, with Prisma ORM and PostgreSQL for backend database. And it won't be AI related, but I can integrate AI in my next project. Once I make the next project, or you can say SaaS application, I will also add AI features there. Okay, so Redis for now. Okay, look at you have built so far. Okay. Single fast API server process and a single database Redis would add complexity without giving you benefit. So Redis is pretty much useless, but still we can add Redis just for practice. So what is this? Message notification. Notification. Should I add notification feature? Scene status. It's useless. I don't want scene status. Typing indicator again useless. Like it's easy. I don't want it now. And online offline status. It's again useless. Bookmark. Okay, it is a bookmark section. So I can design a bookmark section. User search again. Right now I don't need it. Okay, if I add all these features, will Redis make more sense? If I add all these features, then it will take me more 2-3 more days to build this application, which I will add nowhere. So I'm a little confused. Like, Okay. Yeah. So Redis can be used in notification queue. Online users. What is this? Socket IO scaling. Okay. So Redis can be used in Socket IO. Pro notification. So how will you implement net notification here? Let me choose. Let me think. Notification. Where is the application? There will be a notification bell here. So if someone writes something, that thing will be pushed inside the notification. Okay. By the way, what do you mean by you made your own Redis? Have you made a software like Redis? So I have chat, I have user. Okay, this is basic. Okay, online offline status. Right now, you're probably keeping connect users in memory. Okay. Okay, instead with Redis, anywhere. Okay. So the online offline status can be with the Redis type indicator. Okay. User one typing store. Okay. But this is like so meaningless. Yeah, I have worked with Redis. I also okay. Read message counter. Unread message counter. Yeah. Yeah, this can be Redis. Yeah, there's no need to but keep the unread message in the database. Don't need to fetch it from the database again and again. We can keep those unread message numbers inside the user here. Yeah, this is a good example. Unread message counter. Notification system. User likes post. Okay, like post can be notification too. I forgot. You follow someone. User comments. Okay. Instead of writing notification immediately. Okay. Okay. Catches caching user profile. Currently every profile. Okay. So instead of uh what do you say, bringing everything from the database, we can cache it inside our system. Nice. Yeah, yeah. We can also cache post. Also cache as chatting. Every chat can be cached, and it makes more sense to cache the chatting. Okay. Rate limit. What prevent spam message. Yeah, this doesn't require because this is just a chatting application. Like the stream, Thorfinn. I was building your project. I would add Redis in this order. Online status, typing indicator. Okay. And read count. These are very simple thing. And notification queue again. I don't want it. I want a feeding, feed caching, and also what do you say? Chatting cache. Feed and chat cache. So for that, let's add unread message here. A mini version of Redis. So nice. Nice. By the way, I am very new to Redis. I don't have a lot of experience in Redis because I have only made a simple application, very simple MVP kind of application. And Redux is more of a like actually production level application. This helps the product to scale. So I can add a notification and unread messages. This will make more sense. Before that, I want to add one feature. This scrolling is creating problem. I want to fix it, but I don't know how to fix the scrolling problem. So I will fix this later. This is just a UI problem, I think. So I will add a unread message as well as a notification, but option. That's it. I don't want any extra feature. These features are enough for for implementing Redis. And also there should be a feature of getting notification of only post when I'm in the messaging section, and getting notification of only messages in the post section, because if I'm opening the message, then what's the point of getting notification here? I can directly see it from here. Where is my water? Wait a minute. Do it in this order. Messages, and if I send if I send a message, it will be in top. Because that's how every chat app behaves, yeah. So let's we need to add what? Move conversation. Okay, we need to have a global state of move conversation. So features, chat slice, edit message. Okay, delete message. And now we are making a move conversation. Okay, so this will move conversation, seriously. And after that, let's open the chat window here. Okay, so we need to change the receive message again with this. Okay, and now we need to delete something, and that thing is, where is the thing? Yeah, handle this. This is useless now. Wait a second. Socket on receive message, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Add message, okay. So where's the chat slice? Yeah, add message and set message, edit message, of course, delete message and moving message to top. Yeah, we need to add this. Yeah, it's automatically added. Message input, let's open the message input. So let's see, socket emit. So here, after socket emit, we need to change this, okay. And let's import this. Okay. By the way, add message is not being used here, so let's remove this. Okay. So the order should be fixed by now. Let me check. What? Handle receive message? What? Wait a second. Wait a second. Conversation. Window. I need handle receive message, but where? What? Well, what is the use of handle receive message? Control C, Control F. Okay. Okay. The socket off. So in socket off, we are using handle receive message. And this is so confusing. So the structure is quite dirty right now. Front end. And let's open it here. Okay, let's go to chat. Let's refresh once. Chat and refresh once. And user 1, okay. So I'm user 3, right? So if user 3 writes uh, wow, and if I send it, oh, it is user 3. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, it's user 3. So, but I'm not staying in user 1. But it became user 1 again. Great. Okay. So we need to debug this again. User, if user 2 suddenly user 3 will move up top and user 3 bottom, and user 2 is opening user 1 chat, then suddenly user 3 chat will move up and also will move up and also appear in right side, sorry. It will move up as well as it will appear in the right side. Then suddenly user tree moves up and also appear in right side. Okay. User one chat and user one chat, then it will is it confirmed though? Let me check. So let's open this. Yeah, if I refresh. Okay, so I've got it. Two times in its chat and message appears in user to chat. Okay. Okay, inside this chat window, there's a mess here. A mess is I'm using handle receive message function inside one, but inside the socket on, but in socket off, we are not using it. So I need to use the same function. And also in the backend, I have one problem. I will fix this later because the problem is in like formatting of the code. The code looks dirty because it's not well maintained. I've tried my best to solve the bugs instead of completely restructuring it. So due to solving all the bugs without having a proper structure of the folder, in my backend, I have some dirty code in few places. So I need to change those dirty code and make them in proper industry standards. So here inside components, chat component, message, okay, chat window is important, of course. Chat input too, and then message.txt. Okay, the page. Here, let's go to pages, and here's the messages pages, and reducer. Features, uh, uh, chat, chat slice. Wow, somewhere it's using handle receive. Function makes it easier to read. Give the full chat window .tsx. Good refactor. Having a name handler make the socket logic much easier to read. Okay. So that was actually the issue, I think, because we are using handle receive message in the off socket off, but in the socket on receive message, I am using this custom hard coded message. So this shouldn't be there. I should make what do you say, handler for everything, not just for one thing. Everything should contain a handler. Okay, so this is a new code. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is the socket event. So we have handle receive message, handle message edit, okay, handle message delete, okay, and we are calling them here. So socket on, handle receive message, socket on, handle, yeah, socket on, okay, and this is for socket off, and we're using the same thing. So in that way, we don't need to copy paste the code again and again. We can just define the function and then reuse it. Wait a second. Uh, Earlier I was using two use effect, but I think one use effect is enough. So this makes it even better. And if no conversation selected, select a conversation. Okay, so this makes this particular function even more usable. Previously it was not there. And if I remove this and restrict, okay, so this will never work because we will automatically get a chat selected. Okay, so this will never work. This thing select a conversation will never work. So I need to fix this so that this should also work. Okay, so let me test the application, and here, okay, user 3, user 1, okay. Let's delete the application. Let's see how fast the delete wait a second, no, cancel, delete, 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 delete. What? What happened? Okay, delete. Okay, okay, so delete is not being updated here. Okay, it's a weird issue. But how about update? Let's see, edit, take to save. Oh, come on. I have to fix this again. How about chat? Hi. Yeah, chatting is real time. Delete and update is not in real time. So I need to fix the delete and update again. Okay, if I am here, suppose if I am in chat 1, and if I write something like hi and send it, okay, this comes above. If I, what happened? Okay, I can check the hi here. Hi. If it's not there, yo. Okay, so I've got a small issue here. These two will always be reordered instead of which message is first and which is not. So I need to change this from the backend, I think. Maybe not. So now chat is top and user 3 in bottom. If user 2 opens, user 1 chat and user 3 now, user 3 chat will not appear as the user name in left will come above user 1, but after clicking user 3 chat, the order will why this order never stays according to latest chat. The conversion order is being updated only in Redux state, but the later something is overwriting it from another source. Okay. Initial order 1 3 sends a message. Okay. Click on user 3 chat and the order again changes. So yeah, that's the problem. Conversation list here. Conversation list. Yeah. Here. Chat slice. So the problem might be in conversation list and chat slice. So here's the chat slice and here's the conversation list components, chat component and conversation list. New chat window. The two issues are probably connected. Why edit stops being in real time in chat window refactor? Okay. Okay. No, I will definitely not remove the conversation check because it's important. So in backend, okay, let's check this in backend. We can directly check this. Here, let's go to socket. Yeah, message edited. But wait, okay, message edited. Okay. Yeah, let's give the conversation ID in the message edited. This makes more sense for me. Yeah, we are passing the conversation ID in message edited. Okay. The next inspect is a message or a core run route channel. ID in backend. Void it. Check this front end. Messages. src, let's check the messages components. No, pages, messages, and also I want chat window, I think. src, yeah, components, chat window. Also, let's give the app and route, app.tsx, and route, app route. Okay, it should be enough. Yeah, set this, and let's close the backend. Let's clear. Let's restart the backend. Okay, what happened? Okay, so let's check the problem. Message input. What? Okay. How the problem is in message input? Out of all, the real problem is in message input. A better approach, remove from message input. Okay, dispatch. Move conversation to top. Okay. Okay. So we are moving the conversation to top in message input. It doesn't make any sense. It should be in chat list. Why is it in chat window? Keep it to ensure. Okay. Handle. Yeah, these handlers are correct, I think. Let's open the chat window handlers. Yeah, these are the handlers. Uh, handle review message. The handle review message is all right. No, it's not all right. No. Oh yeah, yeah. It's all right. Just writing style is different, but it's all right. Okay, so these things are all right. Okay. So let's recheck. Let's recheck. Let's refresh again. Let's open user one, and then let's check from here. Hi. No. Hi. What? By the way, this was not even the issue. Let's focus on the issue here. Hi. Save. Okay. So it is real time. And let's see delete. Delete is not real time because we haven't fixed the delete part yet. So let's wait a second. Let me check the delete again. Refresh. Yeah, it's deleted, I think. Deleted. And let's refresh here. And it's deleted. Now let's open the backend. Inside the backend, let's add a conversation ID in the delete message. Wait a second. Like, okay. Content, ID and content. And it is showing message ID. Okay. If I had a conversation ID here, and if I rerun the server, clear and rerun the server. Now let's retest it. So the yo, let's delete the yo. Yeah, it's pointless. Adding the conversation ID to the delete function is delete socket from the backend is pointless. So the edit real time is working, but the move to top function is not working. Top is in. Reset temporary re reset. And tell me which. After doing all this, I also need to rephrase the backend, because I've already told that my message and conversation routes are very dirty in the backend. So I need to remake it. I need to redesign all those routes. You're asking the right question. The move convention should not really live in it at all. The reason is temporal fiction, because when user to sends a message, you are creating activity to that conversation, so moving it up. Okay. Entire message input slice. Okay. Okay. Message slice. Okay. So let's open the message input first. Components, chat, message input, and then message.tsx, which is the message page. So let's open here, and here let's see the message page. Pages, messages. Slice, yeah, chat slice. Never forget the chat slice. Features, chat, chat slice. Let me check one thing. What happened? Okay, so there was a network issue. Okay, let's open it with this. Okay. Found it. The bug is in messages. So the problem is in the messages page itself. Pages, messages. Let's close this. Yeah, inside messages. Okay, navigation. Okay. Okay. I'm again getting some network issue. Okay. So the problem was in messages. I was navigating wrong. Okay. Let's rerun the backend again. I don't know why. Let's leave it. Let's check it first. Here. And also let's open here. Let's refresh both. And I'm opening user one. Suppose and user three writes something. Well, let's delete all this. Delete is still not real time. Delete and refresh. Okay, so let's light. Hey, how are you? And if we send, yeah, it's reset. Yeah, so it is a permanent reset. But if I refresh, after the refresh, it again reorders. Oh, so right now, I'm good. Right now, it stays same. But if I refresh the page, it again reorders. So I need to fix this too. It again sets to the default order. So after reset, it again sets to a default. So that means we need to set this order in backend. Conversation order stored in Redux. Okay, so everything is stored in Redux only right now. Okay, so again, need to fix this in backend. So yeah, and right now, so we need to sort the users according to the latest time of the message. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. So now we need to remake the backend. I mean, restructure the backend a little bit, like not too much, of course. The backend currently returns the conversation like this. Okay. Okay, so there's a problem in get conversation, I think. This is delete conversation. This is uh, edit message. This is get conversation, I think. Wait a second. Yeah, no. I think this is different. Not even this. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah. Get all conversation. Okay, so let's change the get all conversation. Your file to get message out first. But I have to get conversation by ID. This is different. Okay. Yeah, this one is false, I think. No, this one is incomplete. Okay, yeah, I have deleted the unnecessary part. Because FastAPI keeps only the latest register out. Okay. Okay. Now let's clear and let's rerun the backend. Now let's open the front end. Now let's test it. Yeah, let's test it. So yeah. So yeah, user 3 remains number 1 here. Hi. Send in real time. Okay. And suppose user 1 from here. User 1. Who is user 1? Here. If the user 1 writes something like don't miss me, something like that, and if I send it, uh if I refresh, okay, okay, so I need to refresh it now. I got the issue now. I need to refresh it again right now. Not real time. Refresh it. Okay. So the conversation order is working, but it's not proper. We need to refresh it. So let's fix it. Okay. So let's send the chat window. Inside src components, chat window. Why is it chat window though? This should be a chat list. Okay. Looking at your update uploaded, they already have. Okay. Conversation done. Move in real time. Few possible, most likely. Move conversation. Cannot find the conversation. Okay. Okay, so we need the reducer now. Conversation reducer. Chat slice. So in the features, chat slice. Move conversation on top. Inside chat window. Wait a second. Handle receive message. So inside chat window, handle receive message. Let's add a console here. Console log. Okay. Okay. So now user. Okay. Whatever. User 2 opens user 1 chat and user 3 send a message to user 2. Okay. 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 So let's try it. User 3, user 2. User 3, I think. Yeah. So I'm opening user 1 here. And now if I write, hey, I am user 3 and send it. Oh, it's real time now. All of a sudden, it's real time. And if I check the console, I didn't get anything in the console. Seriously. And if I write this in here in user 1, I'm user 1 and send it. Okay, so the real time changing has fixed. I'm using user 3. Okay. I send this, user 1 is above. Okay. I click here and send message from user 3. User 3 is best and send it. Okay. Okay, so it is real time now. So the ordering is fixed. So now we can add it here. Code, practice, social media app, and let's open git bash. Real time chat edit, fix this, and feature sorting, new chat, moves the session to top. New chatting moves the conversation to top. Get push origin master. Now let's fix the deleting. Uh, so let's make the delete message real time. If edit is real time, but delete isn't, the problem is usually one of this delete message here. Okay. Let's give the chat window and socket.py inside backend code socket.py. Conversation. So the payload looks like this. Okay. Replace the socket. Okay. Okay. So we need to change the await. So let's go to the backend. Let's open the socket, and here in the delete ID string. Okay. Okay. Instead of message ID, we are getting the ID and a conversation ID. Okay. Oh, yeah. But okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's restart the server. Clear, and let's rerun the server again. That's only preventing. Okay. 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 So let's check it now. Let's refresh both of them. And now let's check the delete first. So this is user 3, right? Yeah, user 3 is open. Yeah, delete is real time. Let's say edit 33, save. Yeah, and then delete it. Yeah. So even the delete is real time now. So let's open the social media. Wait a second. I think it's open here. Yeah, it's open. Get, add, commit m, fix, real time message deletion. Yeah, real time message deletion. What happened? Why it's glitchy? I don't know. Okay, real time message deletion is fixed. So get push origin master. Okay, I think we are not gonna do the Redis part. We're going to skip the Redis part for now. Okay. Okay. We got a new issue now. So if there is no URL selected, it should not open any chat. Then it should write select a chat. Okay, so let's try to fix this. It's a front-end issue, most probably. Okay. Let's open. Yeah, this is front end. No message is or convo in left side. It should deselect convos in left side, and it's still showing the chat in right side, which it should show. What was it again? In window, yeah. It should show select a conversation. Instead, it should show select a conversation. So there is already a logic of if the conversation is not selected, it should show select a conversation, but this logic is not working. A message, okay. The problem should be in the message page. So is the message page, message. Find the effect where the handle. Yeah, conversation ID. Oh, okay. Reducer. So currently selected conversation. Okay, I need this reducer. This will be in chat slice, obviously. So feature chat slice, selected conversation. Yeah, selected conversation. Yeah. Okay. And also inside, find the effect with conversation ID. Okay. In the conversation window, no, message.txt here. Uh, Wait a minute. Update selected conversation when URL changes. Okay. So this is the main code here. Yeah. Okay. So we are handling the URL change now. So now let's see. Nice, nice. Select a conversation. If I click here. Okay, here. No, no. If I go back here, chat. Select a conversation. Okay. So I have fixed the conversation URL handling. Uh, Git add, git commit, fix. What do you say? Conversation URL. Fix the conversation URL handling. Git push origin master. So yeah, Finally, I have fixed the URL problem of the Git. Okay, so if I write here, okay, if I click a chat, the chat will appear. Okay, so the chatting part is done. Now we need to make the posting part in real time. Let's open the what do you say, backend. In backend uploads, let's delete all uploads. What will happen? It's still showing. Seriously. Where's the delete post? Yeah, let's delete. And this is user one post, I think. Go back. User one. Where's user one? Here, I think. Let's delete all the unnecessary post. Let's delete this. Let's open user. Yeah. By the way, I need to fix the UI here. Ah. I think there is no problem in the chat page as well as okay. There is no problem in the chat page, but in the login register page and the home page and the profile page, there is a color leak from here. So I need to fix this. Related files. So I should give let's open the front end. Inside front end, inside src, should be app dot, all these four. And also the theme. Yeah. So these things should be enough. The theme looks mostly fine. Background white, okay. Let's just look for the background word. Maybe body word. This is minimum, I write. Okay. Yeah, minimum height of 100 VH is missing, I think. This can be issue. And also profile, home or profile, okay. Home, login, profile. The issue in not in chakra theme, but in the layout of CSS index.css. Okay. Inside body. Where's the body, by the way? This is backend. Let's open the front end. Here, body. Yeah, index.css body. Let's keep this just for extra safety, of course. This is the main, of course. This is the main thing. Login.tsx. Okay. Let's open all the pages. Theme types. Okay. Pages. Yeah. So login page. Wait a second. Wait a second. Point auto. What? I had to add two box. Okay. So I need to make another box here. Seriously? Okay. Same here. Uh, in register. Oh, MX Auto with 100%. Let's forget this for now. And let's focus on the other thing. By the way, this thing is not required, but I'm adding it because it's good for overall code. Wait a second. Let me check. What? It's like nothing happened. Okay. Okay. So basically, I have fixed the login and logout page. So let's use user tree at the rate gmail.com, and here user. By the way, let's check the register too. Yeah. Okay. So let's log in. User tree at the rate gmail.com, and here user tree is the password, I think. Yeah. Okay. So the other thing was not even working. The main fix is completely different. Oh yeah. Okay. For the profile, it's completely different. Here, uh, here is a profile. So inside the profile, here, box max width M8, minimum height here. Yeah, we just need to add this here, and it's enough. The profile is done, and we can also add this maybe in chatting page. Messages is working. So home page here, maximum width is defined. Okay, okay. By the way, I want to check the messages. Yeah, yeah, flex height. Okay, so it's using a flex here. I think flex is better than box for longer run. So in future, I will be using flex, more of the flex or grid instead of box. Okay, so everything is fixed now. Yeah, so everything is completely black now, and this line looks a little weird. I don't know why. I have to fix the UI a little bit. Now let's open. Where's the, yeah, no, 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 not this. I had to resize it again. Yeah, it's okay. Now this and this. Okay. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and come to live chat. Okay. So the UI problem is gone. So I can make a commit here because this will confuse the other commit. So let's add. What? Yeah, we are deleting the uploads. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. Okay. So these things have been deleted. Okay, never mind. How to remove the upload here? Get push. Origin, master. Whoever is watching, can you please suggest me some features that I can add in my application? Uploads folder in backend. This uploads folder in backend is unnecessarily consuming a lot of data. So let me check. One by one. Let's do it one by one. Let's do this first. Paste, yeah. Did not match any uploads. Let me check it manually. Uh, Desktop, code, practice, social media. Yeah. So inside social media, we are going to backend and then uploads. So why it's not matching? I don't know. If let's check the git status. Okay, this is the file structure, I think. It's not finding uploads. Let's try this one. I cannot find uploads here. Let me check my GitHub repository. I think I am posting my uploads here. No uploads. Oh, so the upload is no more. Let's check the backend. Route and schema. I think I by mistakenly deleted the upload. No, upload is present, but I have deleted everything inside the uploads because it was creating a lot of mess. So I will start everything from scratch. I mean, every new folder will be saved here from scratch, and the git ignore will ignore the uploads. Okay. And PyCache. Okay. So now let's focus on this new issue. I think there's an issue in real-time post update. Let's confirm it. So suppose I take an image like this and open it and then write welcome and post it. It's not real time here. We need to refresh it in order to say it's real time or not. And if I change it to this, okay, and then save, it's still not real time. Okay, so we need to make the, what do you say, post real time to the other user. By the way, whoever is watching, please like the stream. So yeah, there's one more issue here. This thing is not being cleaned from here. And second issue is if I upload something, it is not real time uploaded, updated in the other user. The other user needs to refresh it. In case of post, edit post and delete post. So let's first address the create post problem. And what I'm thinking is I'm not going to add Redis here. I don't know if I'm making the right decision or not, but for at least now, I'm not adding Redis in this project. Mm. post, it should be updated to user 2 in real time. Needs now it needs to be refreshed. If user 1, but if you hmm, executable chatting message, yeah. Right now, the flow is probably user tree creates a post, backend saves the post, user tree replace Redux locally. Yeah. So user sees the post immediately, but the user two is not refreshing the Redux locally because it's not local, like it's not even global, like it's in database level because some other user is editing the data. So the user two needs to manually refresh the page. So we are automating it so that the user two will get the post of user three without refreshing the page. So after creating a post, emits socket event. Seriously. So we are using socket IO in post now. Okay, so there are two approaches. Don't use socket for post, totally reasonable. By the way, should I use socket for post? Can somebody suggest me? Let me wait a second. Let me Google it. Using it for real, or should I use? And let's check here first. Option 2 is a socket, okay, without socket IO. So option 1, don't use socket IO, total response, okay. If user tree creates, suppose user tree won't see it until refresh. Okay, so every 10 second there will be a polling, which is kind of waste of energy. Okay, while using your existing socket IO setup, easy, Redux standards real-time polls relies on different architecture. Okay. Okay, so it is suggesting me HTTP polling. So what do you guys say? Should I keep polling? Scale bottleneck WebSocket needs a persistent connection. Okay, okay. So there can be a bottleneck. So that's why I will be using polling for socket IO. So yeah, inside fetch post. So where is fetch post, by the way? In front end, in fetch post, in profile, and no, in home. Yeah, use effect. Yeah. So in fetch post, we can make this a polling of interval 1000 seconds, I think. 1 instance. What is this? 1000 millisecond or 1000 second? 10 second, okay. 10,000, okay. So let's use the polling method for 10 seconds. Now let's see if the chat is real time or not. Let's open this and then this. Okay. So suppose I have edited this image into, say, this, and save. I have saved this. So let's wait 10 seconds. Let's see if it changes in 10 seconds or not. It didn't change. Or am I being impatient here? Let's create a new post. Maybe it will work there. Good. Post. Okay, let's see. Wait another 10 seconds. The polling is not even working. Nah, it's not working. Refresh, refresh, delete, delete. I think after refresh, this might work. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, it is working. The problem was I didn't refresh after changing the code. So let's check it again. Is this? And let's write welcome. Let's post and let's wait for 10 seconds. Yeah, it is working. And if I edit, not so welcome, not. And if I save, what? Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. I got it now. So there is a 10-second polling. So the time match exactly. That's why it in this time this instantly changed, or maybe not. Yeah, there's a 10-second polling. At that time, the 10-second polling worked instantly. So yeah, this is working. Right now, I think I can make the post section little better, as well as side chat. Yeah, chatting section is working pretty fine due to socket IO. Yeah, we can make a sendable image in chat section. Add this to in commit. Or I can add this in next commit. I should remember. Added a polling. Okay. Select a conversation. Okay, everything is working. This is the home page. Okay. Should I add a add image option in chatting? I'm little conscious because I think this might break the chatting. And second thing is, if I add some different image, let's delete this. Let's try to post. Suppose this. No, suppose this. Yeah. Without a caption. Let's see. Without a caption. Yeah. So it's deleting it. So let's make it a flex box so that if the image is in different size, the box will automatically adjust. And also in backend, I want to change the routes of messages and conversations because I have added many things manually. I want to add those using schemas and models, especially schemas, of course. So I will try to remake the schema as well as the model if necessary. So yeah, fetch user. We are not using fetch current user. Who cares? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. I've only got 2 likes. Somebody is not liking the stream. I have a network issue. Now I used socket.io. Okay. Since polling is enough, so I've only used polling. Now is not trimming the trimming the image. If the dimensions, but it should just and show all images and adjust and show all images. By the way, I want to check another thing here. Yeah, username. Okay. Second issue. Yeah, there's no visible boundary of each postcard. And the third problem is the first issue is the postcards and trimming the image. If the dimension doesn't match, but it should adjust and show full image. Yeah, delete option. Okay. If I click on edit, now the save and cell is in top, but it should be in bottom. Yeah, it should be in bottom. Let's give the postcard. Let's go to desktop. Let's go to code. Practice, social media, front end, src, components, post. post Postcard is enough, I think. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's open the postcard, uh, front end, UI. Yeah. Yeah, postcard. Okay, so let's control A, control V. So एक line. Okay, so the postcard is completely changed. Let's check. But control Z. Then this is unchanged one. Control C. Okay, let's see. By the way, let's see. Okay, so we are only changing the return. Okay, this makes more sense now. from here, and V. What? Wait a minute. What the hell? Why there's a not this? Wait a second. Let's open the profile card. Why there's a problem all of a sudden? What happened? This is so random error. Why this error occurred all of a sudden? This error is impossible, right? How is this error happening? What? Okay. So what's the issue? Why it's showing fake error? This error is impossible. How is this error possible? Because the location is completely fine. Login? Oh, my bad. I Okay, I have by mistake posted these things in login. Yeah, it was my bad. That's such a stupid mistake. What's the issue now? Okay, okay, I have fixed it. So here, Control A, gosh, Control Z, Control C, Control V. Now let's check. Wait a second, guys. Let me turn on the light. Okay, so let's only edit the return function for now. So I have got the return function, I think. Return component, yeah. So let's replace it. So now let's replace with the return function. Okay, I have replaced it. Now let's see. But menu button. So let's see the full postcard code. What happened? My PC is lagging little bit. Okay, so let's see all the chakra components here. What is deduped? Okay, this is postcard. Uh, Okay. Full page. What? What the hell happened? I don't know why it's not giving me full page. The reason because contain chakra to components, I'll okay. I think the new ChatGPT model is configured in such a way that it will have a certain understanding that it will not follow instructions strictly. What? It will not do it. So what happened? No, I won't invent a fake full page. You already have the logic. If the only better looking way, replace the return section with this. Oh hell nah. Um. What about this? Is it working? Why nothing is working now? All of a sudden, nothing is working. So yeah, Control C, Control V. Okay. So yeah, let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's remove this. Let's add this. Okay. Again, it broke the basic logic of 100 VH. Wait a second. Minimum height is 100 VH. Okay. Come on. I again make a box. Control Z. By the way, this is inside the home section, I think. Inside the home page, minimum height is 100. So what's the problem? What the hell? And why it's showing extra space? Okay, lots of issue here right now. And by the way, let me check on another issue here. No three dots. Okay. No three dots. The bottom is still little white again. And third issue is bottom post cut unnecessary space box. Mm, okay, let me see. So there's no edit button. Seriously. So yeah, post comment. Let's see here, comment, create comment and comment card. Components, chat, post, post, not create post, only post. So what's the error here? Error. I'm getting error message again and again. What's the issue? One problem in UI can cause a lot of problem. Found the main UI problem in postcard. A huge empty space under the every post accidentally added. Oh, come on. Problem 2, black background behind image. Image. Yeah. Where is the box? Where is the box? I have to check it manually. Black, Control F. Here, Control F. Black. Yeah, this is the black. I need to change it to gray. Gray 900. Yeah, gray 800. Let's keep it gray 800. Wait a second. Let me recheck it. Where's the three dots? No three dots at all. What the hell? I have to change so many things here. So yeah, this is the card. Aish. What's the issue here? What happened? There's a network issue, maybe? Maybe not. Would be in the right most side of username. After this, I will try to fetch user profile and every where username is mentioned. Uh, replace the header right side section with, what do you mean by replace this? It's really annoying. Hmm. Maybe there is a network issue today. Show menu, okay. You need to add this in the use state. We'll add it in the top. Where is fetch command? Okay, yeah, here. Show menu. And now we will use this and replace the return function completely. Okay. Now let's check the UI. Yeah, this is a new UI. And still there is no what? Am I tripping? See, let's copy it. Control V. Okay. Rerun it. Still no three dots. I don't know why. I don't know what's the problem. The three dots are not appearing at all. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's stringify it, okay? Yeah. If you want to prove that's the problem, okay, let's forget it. Let's check the backend. Ah, okay. Let's completely remove this for one. Let's test it after removing this completely. Sorry, chat. No, it's social media. Okay. What the hell is the title? Okay. Okay. Oh, I got the problem. This is not even my post. Damn. Like live. If I post this. Okay. So it was my issue all along. If I choose some photo like this. Okay. Damn. Okay. So issue was that this is not even my post. That's the issue. It is some other user. Some other user post. Okay. 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 Yeah. Edit the TITL dash caption appears in top. It should be bottom of image picker. Wait, 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 wait. Okay, okay. That was my bad actually. I completely forgot that it was some other user post. Okay. So yeah, this is the new style now. By the way, okay, it is posting directly. Delete. I can choose anything. If I cancel, it stays same. Okay. Control V. Okay. So let's open this. Let's refresh. Edit. Here, yeah. You can choose file here. Okay, and you can cancel it. Okay. So everything looks fun. So the one issue is there is some red here, and the second thing is I forgot that what I have improved previously. So I need to search. Before the fake page thing, I forgot what are the things that I have changed. Oh, yeah, I've completely changed the postcard UI. Before that, I have done something, but I forgot. Okay, okay, okay. This is message deleted. Okay, I have fixed the UI. Okay, yeah, polling request. Yeah, I can remember now. Added a polling request and changed the postcard. Okay, so I can edit, get add. Okay, nice. Get commit, add polling, and second thing is feed maybe, maybe fix postcard UI. Get uh get push origin master. So yeah, this is the new UI. Hey, and if I comment, yeah, it will show. Okay, okay. So the hamburger thing is not inside the comments. So I need to fix the comments for now. Okay. So we need to fix the comments UI. If I add another command, yo comment, yeah. So let's open the create comments, no, comment card. By the way, I can also add a download option. Should I add a download option? And report post option, which is useless, but we can add it. Okay. Comment map, comment card. Wait a second. Hmm. Guys, wait a minute. I'm coming.
I don't ever slow
Okay, so let's continue. Here I think, yeah. And here, okay. So we are going to change the map function. Okay. We're changing the map function completely. So now let's check what happened. Yeah. Wait, what? We have got some error now. Okay. So we need to add one state here. Let's add the state here. Open menu ID state. Okay. So now it might work. Social media. Comment. Yeah. Edit. Haha. And saved. Yeah. Save. Wait a second. Okay. So it's reverse ordered. The comments are reverse ordered. Yo yo and another yo. And if I save it, it will be in bottom. And if I restart, it's in bottom. Okay, so first comment will be in first and second will be second. Nice. So it's a weird feature, of course, but I like it. Why I'm unable to dislike the first post? We cannot dislike our own post. Okay. I mean, it's not a feature. It's a bug, but it looks like a feature. The bug is like a feature. So if I like this and also like what? Okay, I got the problem. If I like this, then I can only dislike this. I cannot like this. So it's a weird bug. Yeah, so there's an issue in post slice. Okay, so let's open the features and likes, not likes, dislike. Inside the post, I think we are managing the like and dislike. Yeah, toggle like and toggle dislike. I have personally noticed that. Wait a second. Yeah, I have personally noticed that sometimes the logic, I mean, sometimes the code automatically corrects. Like, I don't even know how the code becomes correct sometimes. Wait a second. Desktop code, practice, social media, front end, SRC, features, dislike, and then features, like, and features, comments. No, no, post. I mean, post. Let me check the same issue here. Yeah. So if I like this, what? Yeah. If I like this, can I like this too? No. I can only dislike this. I've already did this. Paste like API and okay, let me verify the like API. And this is the like API. Handle like. So let's check this inside the handle like. So yeah, inside handle like, I need to add this. So let's do this. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna refresh it. Let's like this. What? Okay, let's like this. And then if I like this, what happens? Let's see. Let's refresh. Okay, let's check the error. Let's go to backend. Inside backend, let's give the routes, dislike and like routes. There's a very small issue here. I think the issue is in the front end. I don't know why. I think it's in front end because backend schema is defined. Once I fix this route, I think most of my problems are done. So the series will be over in day 11. And after that, I will be making another series of a SaaS application. And if I want to add other features in this series, then I will make a different series, which will be named as adding more features and solving bugs in social media application app. This particular series will be end here. The application is not ended. We'll implement more things in this application, but the series will end now. What happens in the fast API? Let me see. Yeah, server do crashes, but let me retry it. Control C, clear. Okay, and now let's try to like this post. Yeah, server crashes if I try to like this post. So the suspect was correct. Okay, key user. Okay, okay. Like model. Okay, so there might be problem in like model as well as delete model. Let's check the backend, check the models. Like and what is a dislike model and dislike? Yeah. So here's the like and dislike model defined in the backend. I think the way we are storing the like and dislike is breaking the code. Okay, so there's problem in the model. So let's check the like model. Yeah, we are making a ID for like. Damn. And also making ID for dislike. Okay. That technically means we need a new database. That means we need to shut down the server and we need a new database. Control C, clear. Let's open the PG admin now. From now on, for making a relational database, I need to be very clear and crisp about the relations of all the objects. I mean, between all the tables and columns and rows and everything, there need to be a crystal clear relation between all of them. I mean, I think maybe tomorrow in morning, I may do day 12 of this series, maybe, because afternoon I will start a new series. S- PG admin is taking so much time. Okay, drop, and then let's make a new database. Name, social media, same name. Okay, so let's run the backend server. Uh, and first, let's clean the backend. Let's clean uploads or clean all the images. By the way, I want to check one thing. In my GitHub, if I refresh, okay, okay, it is no more here. So now, let's rerun the server. Okay, so let's check it now. Wait a second. Unauthorized. Is the name wrong? SOCIALMEDIA. The name is right. So what's the issue? What's the problem? Okay, it is connected now. Yeah. So yeah, it's a new server. We need to register a new user. This is Chrome, right? So let's make Chrome user 2. What? What? What happened? How can we log in directly? Man, there are so many issues in the backend. Let's log out. What the hell happened? Let's delete all this maybe. I'm literally confused. How can I log in randomly and post? Oh, come on. I thought today was the last day, but I was wrong. Today is definitely not the last day. We got a very big bug here. The bug is anybody can enter our login page. Database. So currently my authentication process is completely broken. I need to fix this again. I don't know. I think that there is a problem somewhere, like very little problem. Let's check the backend. Inside the backend, dependencies. I think it was security. Get current user. Okay, I got it. I got it. Click inside the console, type allow pasting. Okay. Inspect. What's the problem here? AWWPSTNG. Okay, I got it. I got it. Undefined. User 2 and register. I cannot register a user now. So we need to check the authentication API, register, .tsx and schemas. Okay. User schema. Okay. Code. Let's see. Practice a social media application backend schema, user schema. Okay. User schema, then register and auth API. Okay. Front end src features auth API and authorize both. Register and okay, let's get the register pages. Register and login also. Okay, so it's a weird error. For now, I have a way of solving this for now. Clear. I will run this later. Let's open pgadmin again. Okay, pgadmin. Let's check the server. Social media. Drop this. Let's make another server. Database. I mean. Social media. Save. It is saved. Now let's run the backend. Open here. Refresh it. Let's make user 2. But user 2 @gmail dot register. No thanks. So we have registered, but the username is not coming. What's the issue here? Okay, but okay, so I need to do a lot of debugging now. post and save it. Yeah, I think I need to do a lot of debugging now. Make another post, like. Okay. Okay, so it is done. Now let's try to design the flow. Let's try to design the endpoints here. So earlier the likes were having no ID. Wait a second. What happened? I think Control X, Control V. I'm changing. I'm trying to change it for now. Let's try to do it like this. It will look cleaner, I think. Control X. Here, why it's what's the issue here? I don't know. Why it's pushing the ID, and here it's pushing it. Okay, I think the size matters. No, the size doesn't matter here. Okay, who cares? We'll take the string and put it here. Okay. Control X. Will be. Okay, I got it. I got it now. ID. What is happening here? Is this space corrupted? In this area, what's happening in this area? I don't know. I don't care. What? There's a weird glitch here now. But ID. Why the ID is going this side? I don't know. Yeah, I've got the solution. View ID. Yeah. Bio is done. Profile picture. Control X. It is string. Created ad, updated ad. Okay. I think I should do it off stream since nobody's watching. There's no point of continuing the stream. So bye bye guys. See you in the next stream.